Hi, beautiful spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Today, guys, D Dawn is in the kitchen to do roast herb tomatoes. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when I'm doing a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon basil leaf, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, some fresh thyme, 4 tomatoes, 2 teaspoons vinegar, rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon dark sugar, or 1 tablespoon of honey. You need a baking sheet, whether a bigger or a small, but it's the baking sheet I'm using because just for tomato here. Remove the tomato from the stem. Wash and pat dry tomato. From the fresh thyme, remove the leaf. With the stick of the thyme, we're not using the stick of the thyme, just get the leaf off, just to get 2 tablespoons of thyme leaf. Herb roast tomato, it's so easy to make, guys. So cut the tomato in 2. Compress garlic or chop finely. Combine black pepper and salt together and sprinkle over on tomatoes. That is the first thing you have to do. You sprinkle with the salt and the black pepper. Let this tomato rest for 5 minutes so it can drain any juices from it. After 5 minutes, sprinkle with sugar or honey. This adds so much flavor to your roast tomato. In the meantime you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Place tomato on baking sheet. Combine all herbs together. Except the garlic. I'm gonna sprinkle over on the tomatoes. Guys, you're watching the video today and you haven't yet subscribed. Please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. Like the video, don't just comment. When you comment, leave a like, guys. Please leave a like, share up the video, share it up. Okay. Then you're gonna sprinkle with the garlic. Stop some garlic on top. Gonna drizzle with the vinegar. You drizzle with the olive oil. And now our tomato is ready for roasting. So follow me over to where the oven. And you're gonna place your tomato in for 30 to 45 minutes. See you back in a few, guys. So beautiful, spicy family. Our herb roast tomato is now ready for heating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? And I tell you what, this is a great side dish. It can go with a varieties of food, from pasta to hamburger. It can go in soup. You can have it with rice. You can use it for later use. So if you're gonna put it up for later, all you have to do is freeze it. Put it in the freezer. You know, sometimes you're out at work and you're coming tired. You can just pop out of your roast herb tomato and eat it with some rice or whatever you want to have it with. I love you all. I thank you for watching, and take care of yourself, and above all, let us give our eyes out for each other. Peace and love all the time. I see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I thank you for watching.